Hello and welcome. In today's video, you'll be learning how to add transitions to your videos. Transitions that will likely make your YouTube videos, Instagram videos, TikTok videos, Facebook videos, or wherever videos you want to post, that is your video edits to actually go viral and turn out nice. And yes, attract people to watch more. Normally, we've heard the more people watch, the more watch time you have, the more virality or engagement your video would get. So in this video today, I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to add transitions while you are editing your videos, be it on Capcut, DaVinci Resolve, or whichever editing software you're using. Now, you know that transitions are added to movies that are being acted, talking head videos, and whichever videos that are being edited, be it what style. But now it depends the style of transition you're going to be putting. Video transitions that are meant for talking head videos are different from the transitions that are meant for Netflix rated videos or Prime rated videos. I don't know if you get me. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to add transitions, and I'm going to be explaining 4 types of transitions that you can be able to use in your videos, more like this my kind of videos, or in whatsoever type of videos you want to do. I'm Samuel Favor and this is TechLensive, and I teach you how to become a better editor, and also I give you information that would actually be very helpful for you. If you've not hit the subscribe button, do well to hit the subscribe button, because your subscription gives me more motivation to make videos like this. And yes, do well to hit the notification bell so that whenever I post a video, you would be the first to be notified about it. Also, do not forget to use the promo code you're seeing on your screen to get the 5% discount on whichever products you buy from the Oraimo store. Now, heading forward, as I said, I'm going to be talking about 4 transitions. The first one will be the added transitions. Now, these are the transitions that you download online and then you put it into your videos. Transitions like this. Now, these transitions, you can see that they are mainly used in talking head videos. I see them especially on Instagram and on TikTok. I don't know if people have reduced the rate to which they use it, but yes, if you watch a lot of talking head videos, you would see that this kind of transitions are used especially for tech content creators or whichever creators that like using it. While they are editing their videos, they get this transition and they put it in their videos. Now, how can you be able to achieve this transition? First things first, you would have to download the transition into your phone. Now, if you want to get this exact same transition that you use, do well to comment the word transition on the comment section, and I will send you a direct link to where you can be able to download it. But yes, if you don't want to go through all the whole stress, you can be able to go to Think Make Push on YouTube. Yes, this is the channel where you can be able to see lots of transitions that you can be able to use on your videos, retro transitions, a whole lot of transitions. When you go there, you can be able to pick any transition you like and download it into your phone. Now, when you're on your editing software, be it any editing software you're going to be using, you will just have to add this transition to your video. Now, I'll be showing you how to add this on the Capcut app. When you have imported your video into your timeline, what you just do is you get this your already downloaded transition, cut out a clip. That is one part of the transition that you just need, because there are a whole lot of transitions that are to this. So you just have to cut one part that you're using. You now click on the transition that you've cut out. As you see, it will be showing black with the transition when you play. So what you do is, first of all, you adjust it to how you want it to be. Then you click on it, look for blend. Then when you look for blend, you put it on screen. You make the effect to be on screen. So when you do it and click on screen, this is how the effect will show up, like this. Now, this kind of effect attracts people's attention, more especially when someone wants to swipe away from your video and maybe in the next 5 seconds they see another flash. This flash in the eye will attract them to stay and want to see what next will pop up. Yes, now the next type of transition I'm going to be talking about is the max transition. Now, a whole lot of people use this max transition, but this is what the max transition actually looks like. Now, to be able to achieve this type of transition, there are a lot of ways you can be able to achieve this. Now, there are a lot of ways you can be able to achieve this transition. And yes, this transition, I'm going to be using myself to do this transition. Now, if you want to learn how to do this transition on your own, that is where I'm staying on one place and then someone will cross over myself and then the transition will happen, meaning that you want to learn how to clone yourself, do well to watch this video that you're seeing on top of the screen, and then it will redirect you to how you can be able to clone yourself and make a full movie all by yourself. Going forward, you just have to sit down and maybe you let someone cross in front of you, and when the person is crossing, you would add a max in front of the person or at the back of the person while the person is crossing. That is the max of the next scene that would come out. So to do this on the Capcut app, what you just have to do is you put your two clips, that is, you put your two clips together, the clip of the person crossing and the clip of yourself sitting down, or maybe if it's just one clip, you put the clip of yourself and the person crossing, then you add the next clip that you want to transition into. Let's say you want to transition into this. So me, I'm sitting down here and I cross and I want to transition into this B-roll. What you do is when the person crosses right in front of you, you add a max to the person. So when the person is crossing, you put keyframes. Now the keyframe, you put it at the center so that when the person finishes crossing, you put the keyframe at the end so that when the person crosses completely, the next scene will come out. Now this is how you can be able to do it. I'm sure you're following me step by step. If you do have any questions, do ask me on the comment section, and yes, I would give you a solid reply and I'll make it a lot more explanatory for you. I hope you're following me. Yeah, now the third transition I'm going to be talking about is the fade transition. Now I'm sure that this fade transition, you'd actually also see it on the Capcut transition, but now I'm not talking about the Capcut transitions. I'm talking about the fade transition where you just be able to use keyframes. It's almost the same thing like the max transition, but this time around you are not going to use the max effect. We are going to be using just keyframes. So what you do is you fade away with the keyframe, or you just remove from the scene with a keyframe the clip you don't want to show, and then with the other keyframe you bring up or you brighten up the scene you want it to be on the video. I don't know if you're getting me, just something like this. I don't know if you look at the edit, you would quickly understand. You can just take it back and look at it and replay it again, and then you will get it. This is the fade transition. But if you just actually want to make things a whole lot easier for you, you can just be able to use the fourth transition that I'm going to be talking about, which are the Capcut embedded transitions. Capcut embedded transitions are all the transitions that Capcut has just imputed in their software, where you can just be able to click them and they will just take effect in your edits, and you don't need to do a whole lot of things. You can just put them in a bunch of places and this effect will take place. Now these are the kind of effects that people on Capcut use to create viral effects. They would click and put a bunch of effects to it, and a whole lot of things will come out, and then they will post it on TikTok, and when it goes viral they'll start making money from using all these effects, and a whole lot of them. As you can see, there are a whole lots and loads of transitions that you can be able to use on the Capcut app, even without wanting to use the added transition, the max transition, or the fade transition that I showed you. And yes, that should just likely be it. I think you should try using transitions in the next video that you're going to be posting. Hopefully you'd likely go viral, and then you come back to the comment section and tell me. I hope this video helped you. Do well to subscribe to the channel so that whenever I post a video, you'll be notified. And as I said before, your subscription motivates me to create more videos like this. My 5% promo code, actually do also use it on all Oraimo products, a 5% discount. And yes, what else? I'll see you in my next video, and peace out.